So let me show you step by step how to preview image or picture on Google Drive. After you open the Google Drive like this one, so you click on my drive. So from there now it will give you option to see all your pictures and your images and your folders. So now find the picture or image you want to preview. I want to preview this one. Right click on the picture. So go to open with. So here you have two options. You can click on this preview or you can click on this open a new tab. So if you click on this open a new tab, here it will give you the full picture. And if you click on this preview, it will give you just the size of the picture. It will be smaller. So let's try this both of them. So I'll start by the second one. So as you can see now, here is the picture. As you can see, here is the full picture. If you want, you can zoom in by clicking on this option, or zoom out by clicking on this option, and you can download the picture by clicking on the download button. And if you go back to your drive, now if you right click again, go to preview. So click on this preview. So here it will give you the preview of the picture within your Google Drive like this one. So as you can see now, here is the preview of the picture. If you want to see the next picture, you can click on this option to give you the next picture from your Google Drive. And if you want to cancel, you click on this just cancel button. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like, subscribe.